The forest is a symbol of the splendor of planet Earth with its many beauties. A natural masterpiece from God with millions of species of flora and fauna in it. Birds are one of the most fascinating of the millions of species in the forest. With thousands of species, shapes and sizes, the life of birds in the forest is fascinating. In this video, I will talk about beautiful, stunning birds with vibrant colors that will blow you away. This species of bird lives in the highlands of tropical rainforests in Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador. This fruit and insect-eating bird is very difficult to spot by birdwatchers. This is because their habitat is mostly in the highlands, which are difficult to reach. The most unique feature of this bird is its head, which has a large, bright orange feathered crest that protrudes forward. Keelbillet toucan is native to the tropical rainforests of Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and Mexico. This bird is the most beautiful species of toucan with its large and colorful beak. The beak is a mixture of bright yellow, green, orange, and a little red at the tip. The habitat of this fruit-eating bird species is in highland areas of dense forest. This species of bird is found in tropical rainforests in the Mesoamerican region, including southern Mexico, Guatemala, and Honduras. It is an iconic bird species due to its strong association with Mesoamerican culture, especially in Guatemala. Its long, brightly colored tail is a symbol of beauty and freedom for the people there. For the people of Guatemala, the resplendent quetzal is a symbolic history of eternal life. It is a rare bird species in swamp forests and tropical forests in Indonesia and Malaysia. The most unique thing about these birds is that when they vocalize, they stick their chests to the ground. It is characterized by its slender body and short, slightly thick beak. The plumage is grayish-brown with fine and slightly blackish stripes on the back and wings. This insect-eating bird is more likely to move on the ground than fly in the air. Those are the beautiful birds we're talking about today. We'll cover more of the world's most beautiful birds in our next feature-length video. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.